Hello everybody. Hope you are doing well and enjoying our study session and learning new things. So, we have learned in our previous class a new topic. I know you have learned it and you have practiced it because you are my so good children. So, today we will discuss about the previous topic and we will go with it. Okay, so we will practice it more so that it is now will be easier to you. Okay, so come, let's start, let's revise, and then let's practice. Okay, my dear children, come, let's see what we will do today. So, our topic is describing words. Now, first we will revise what is called describing words. What are they actually? Describing, in the very word, what we have, the meaning here, describing means to describe, মানে কারোর সম্বন্ধে বর্ণনা করা, বলা. Okay, now for whom we will use it, how we will use it. So we will describe the naming words, so we will describe the naming words. How we will describe it? The quality, the quantity, how it looks like, how it talks like, is it soft or is it hard, is it big or is it tall. This type of qualities are called describing words. So, what we can tell about the definition of describing words. Now, we can tell it that the words that describes the naming words. Again, repeat after me. The words that describes the naming words are called describing words. Okay? So again, repeat after me, children. The words that describe the naming words are called describing words. So this is the definition of describing words. Now, I will show some example and I will exaggerate the example. I will tell you what are the examples are and where are the describing words and why are they called the describing words. So come, let's learn together how to recognize the describing words. Okay, children? Then come, let's see. See, children, this is a ball. Okay, so what do you think of seeing the ball? What it could be? It can be a round ball, yes, obviously. It can be a colorful ball because so many colors are here, yes, obviously. So, here, ball, this is the name. So, ball is the naming word. And which word is describing the ball? Yes, the words are number one, round, that you have said because the ball is in round in shape. And the next word is colorful. So, here we can get two describing word. One is round and two is colorful. Okay, so this is our first example. Now here is our second example. Now see, this is the picture of a house. Seeing the house picture, what you can say, how you will describe the house. One, you can say a big house. Yes, this is granted. This is a big house. Another, what you can say? You can say red house because here we can see red color. So we can say red house. So here we can get two describing word. One is big, another is red. And these two describing words, whom they are describing? They are describing the naming word house. They are describing whom? The naming word house. See, this is our third example. This is a picture of a, yes, you can say parrot. Yes. So here, which word is describing the naming word parrot? What is the color of it? Yes, green. So here the describing word is green. Green parrot. That means green is describing the quality of the naming word parrot. Now, see, this is our fourth example, and this is the example of a pretty girl. So, here the naming word is girl, May, and the describing word is pretty, mane shundor. So, here the describing word pretty is describing the quality of the girl. How the girl is? The girl is pretty. So, here the describing word is pretty and the naming word is girl. Now, in this example, we have a glass of juice. Now, seeing the juice, what we can say? How is the juice looking? Is it tasty or not? Yes, tasty. So we can say tasty juice. Now, how we can describe the juice in any other manner? Yes. Is it sweet or sour? Yes, this is sweet. So here we can get two adjectives from the juice now naming word. One is tasty, another is sweet. Tasty juice, sweet juice. Yes, so here we can get two describing words. Now, I hope you have practiced with me and you have learned the topic, you have understood the topic very well. So, here I will give you two examples. Seeing the example, you have to decide what will be the describing words there. It can be one, it can be many, but this is up to you. You will describe and write down on your rough copy. Okay, this is your own work. You will write it down on your rough copy. Now, see, this is the picture of a mother. See and describe it how you would describe your mother. How is your mother? How she behaves with you? And describe it like that. Is she loving? Is she caring? Like this, you will describe your mother. Now, your turn for the second example. Now, see, this is the picture of a watermelon. Now, tell me how you will describe a watermelon. Yes, this is up to you. Use any word and describe it and write down on your rough copy. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and you have learned a lot from it. So keep practicing, keep increasing your knowledge, keep engaging yourself. Till then, take care, tata, goodbye.